Welcome back to Zoonitoons, the place where drawings turn into heroes. Today we are going to bring two mighty transformers to life on paper. Get ready to see the fiery power of Skyblaze and the strength of Boltguard. We'll sketch them step by step, adding details to make them look amazing. Then we'll bring them alive with bright and bold colors. So grab your pencils and colors, because the adventure starts right now. First, we begin with Skyblaze, the warrior of the skies. We start by sketching his fierce helmet and confident base. His arms are stretched forward, showing his unstoppable energy. Next, we outline his massive wings that help him soar above battles. We draw his chest and strong legs to complete his flying pose. Finally, we add fine details that give him a powerful look. Now, let's bring Skyblaze to life with striking colors. The wings and panels are colored in gray for a metallic effect. Every detail is carefully shaded to add more depth. We fill his armor with bold red, making him shine with firepower. The combination of red and gray makes him look unstoppable. Skyblaze is now ready, a jet warrior blazing through the skies. Next up is Boltguard, the electric defender. We begin by sketching his helmet with sharp, bold lines. Then we add his broad chest that shows his power and strength. His arms are outlined, looking ready to release energy bolts. We carefully draw his legs, standing tall and unshakable. At last, the final details make him look like a true guardian. Now it's time to color Boltguard with bright energy. We use a strong mix of yellow and blue to power him up. With his colors complete, Boltguard is ready to protect and defend. And there you have it, Skyblaze and Boltguard standing side by side. One rules the skies with blazing firepower, the other guards with electric strength. Together, they make an unstoppable team of Transformers. They are drawn, colored, and brought to life right before your eyes. We hope you had fun on this creative adventure today. Stay tuned to Zoonitoons for more epic heroes coming soon.